Hi. One of the biggest single problems that we find with people who have tax problems is that they may have a number of years of tax returns that haven't been filed. And this kind of creates a snowball effect where the first time they don't file the return, they insist that they're going to get it caught up, and they're going to go ahead and catch them up, and they're going to do the next year's return and get back on track. And oftentimes it becomes very difficult for people. And so what happens is we see a lot of people in our office that may have 5 or 6 or 10 years worth of unfiled tax returns. And what we found is that if people don't file their own tax returns, oftentimes the IRS will file one for them. And if the IRS prepares a tax return for you, you can bet it isn't going to be particularly in your favor. Because what they will do is just take gross income. They won't allow any particular deductions, particularly for a business, and end up with an amount that may or may not be correct. And we found that this is one of the most important services that we can provide to our clients, is to get the tax returns done. And over the last number of years, we've developed a real methodology for preparing tax returns. We can file a power of attorney on your behalf. We can obtain information from the IRS about what was paid to you by way of W-2s or 1099s, what mortgage interest you may have paid, any interest payments that were made to you, and we can go ahead and in general get most of the information to get tax returns prepared. Then we have a separate business called the tax group that specializes in preparation of taxes. And we have an accountant in-house who prepares tax returns and has become a real specialist in getting tax returns caught up based on limited information. And so while it may seem like a huge problem, we can get the tax returns completed and filed for you. The next step on your part would be to contact us. What you need to do is either call us or fill out our online form, and we'll be glad to give you a no-obligation consultation, discuss your tax situation with you, and show you how we can get the tax returns filed.